Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set custom photo widgets on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to set custom photo widgets on iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to very first simply create an album of your photos which you want to see or to show in your widget. So let's say I'm gonna select or open the Photos app here. Now you have to select albums, and here just try to create a new album. Just have this plus option, then select new album. Now you have to add an album name. Let's say I'm gonna add this one here. Once I've added the name, just tap on the create option. So your album will be created. Now you just have to open your album, tap on this plus option to add photos into your album. So let's say I'm gonna select some photos. So once you have selected the photos, you just have to tap on the turn option here, and your photos will be added. Now you have to simply go back, go to your home screen. Keep a long press on any empty place, then tap on the edit option in the top left, then select add widget. Now here just scroll down, you will get a shortcut widget here of photos. Here's the photos widget, but you don't have to select this one. You just have to scroll down and you have to look for photos here. Here's the photos to select, and here you can see there's a name featured. You just have to scroll until you find albums. Once you get album, you just have to select the size or the style of your widget. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. You can also select this or this for your album. So I'm gonna add this one here, the 7 add widget, and it will be added to your home screen. And you just have to tap on choose, or you can directly select it and then select choose. Now you have to select the album which you have created. I have just created this one. Just tap on this and it will be selected. Now you just have to tap on empty place, then tap it done option. You can directly tap on any empty place and it will start listening. So now you just have to scroll and you will get different photos here. You can see that these photos which we have added into our album. You can directly go to that album by tapping on that widget. So it will automatically shuffling your photos or changing your photos here. So in this way, you can easily set custom widgets on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.